Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a craft with me, or a project share, or both. So on Sunday, Ebony and I were live on her channel, and so we were working on a few projects, but this one is a 4th of July project because I didn't have any plans. I didn't figure out what I was going to make until I got on the live, but I started this 4th of July banner on Tuesday, and then Thursday we went live with Natalie, who is Put Some Bling on It here on YouTube, and she's also Sassy Blinging Me and Put Some Bling on It on Instagram. So I came up with this, and Natalie had suggested this Etsy shop. It's called gingerjournals.etsy.com, and she had girls and boys dressed up for the 4th of July. So these are just a few. You get 6 pages on, and you get 4 images on each page. And with this purchase, it is a print and cut. If you know how to use your cutting machines, you can do that and put it through the cutting machines. But I printed this immediately because I wanted to work on it right away. Usually if I try to use my Cricut while I'm live on my, on YouTube, I lose connection and then it's just a mess. So I just figured, let me just print it and then I can cut it out by hand, which was very easy. And you can see these are what they look like. I pick them up, but I have some things on there that are not glued down yet. The other thing I did, before I go any further, let me say, the base is not a die. The base, I used some packaging. This was heavy duty cardstock cardboard that was for like my cutting tool, my paper slicer. I don't know. My paper trimmer. So I kept the packaging because it was a nice sturdy cardboard. So I just covered it with some regular blue cardstock, just like this from my stash. Then I covered it with the holographic laminate sheets, and I just covered the front with it. I also added some doily in the background. That's just from my stash. And these stars are KS Craft, I believe. Oops. No, it is not KS Craft. I don't know who made this, but it's a stars die cut. They're all like, smallest to biggest. Nesting. I cannot think right now. They're all nesting dies. So I just cut it out of 2 sizes. I cut it with silver and blue and red. This blue glitter paper is a Dollar Tree. It's from Jot, and it's a sticker. So it says glitter paper, but it is a sticker. I didn't realize it until I went to go and put it down. So it just comes off like that. And it's nice glitter. Nothing. You don't get any fallout. If only they had more. I'll be on the hunt for those. But so I cut the blue out of that glitter paper from Dollar Tree. The red is from Hobby Lobby, and the silver is from Michael's, the silver cardstock pack that they'll have. So I just layered it on here on the banners, arranged it a little bit. I took out my curling ribbon, looks like that, and strung it through. I did create a little tassel for each end, but it's just, miscellaneous trim from my stash, and also some curling ribbon. So I didn't realize how I didn't have blue ribbon in my stash. So yeah, I had a lot of red and white, but not blue, at least not this blue. So yeah, anyway, and then I broke out my punches. I found my flower punches, And I came up with this. I made these little flowers, red, white, and blue also. And then I also found my large flower punch, and I did red, white, and blue again. So these, I use some of my bling centers. So they're different. Some of them, well, red and white are the same, but I should have used the same on the blue, but neither here nor there. It's made, and yeah, that's what I'm using on my banner. So now all I have to do now is just arrange my, what are these called? My flowers. I need to glue them down. I put them where I want them. Now I just got to glue them down. Yeah, don't come for me, Danessa. I want flowers. Oh, okay, I guess I won't be doing that right now because I didn't turn on my glue gun. Dang it. But anyway, the trims that I put on the ends, they are, I have some white pom-pom. I found the silver rickrack in my stash. It's kind of hard to see. And then I also found some silver stars in my stash. And these are like stuff that people gifted to me. So it's not a whole roll. It's just a trimming. So I figured, okay, I'll make a short tassel with that. I pulled out my red pom-pom trim. So I added that on there. I found one blue ribbon in my stash. I was like, okay. And then this is some red tinsel. This from the Christmas section, but look at how great it looks. It reminds me of like fireworks. And then the red and white stripe is also from my Christmas stash. So now all I got to do now is trim. Let's go ahead and trim the ends. And then I can, you know, make sure these things don't run. In time, eventually it will run, but for now, we got that. I think that's it for the ribbon, because the rest are, you know. So where, I know I have a, but yeah, so I wanted to do this video because this is going to go up in my home. I'm going to put this up somewhere in my home, somewhere out there. Oops. So yeah, I like flowers. I will put flowers on my projects. But isn't it cute? They kind of look like fireworks after you look at it for a little bit. Trying to convince yourself. Like that. So now all I have to do is lay them down. So each pennant has red, white, and blue, or red, silver, and blue. I wanted it to have represent the colors. And then I have two boys on the end. One mainly to represent one for each of my children. I have two boys and I have a daughter. And I put my daughter usually in the center. She is the oldest, but I like putting her in the middle. Surrounded by her brothers. So yeah, as soon as this glue gun gets hot, I can go ahead and attach the flowers. And then once I attach the flowers, I can add some stickles, which, uh-oh, I don't know where I put it. Where's my stickles? Oh, oh gosh, I just had them here. And again, being my desk being a mess. Oh, here it is in the pen holder. So I'm kind of running out of stickles, man. I got to go get some more stickles. So that one is going to be ready. Let me see if I have another one. I do have glitter drops, silver crystals. I don't know. Maybe I'll use that because there's a lot more here than there is here. This one's almost out. Almost empty. Huh? Oh well. So yeah. Still waiting on the glue gun. Let's see. Let's see if we could get him on here. Oh yeah, there we go. Just pop him on there. And I just did this really quickly yesterday. I was supposed to be cleaning up my desk, but I was like, you know what? These things are in the way. Let me go ahead and do this. How easily we get distracted. Easily distracted, I tell you. But it's a good distraction because I like flowers. I can make my own flowers. Like that. All right. And then like that. Yeah, and these were all scraps. I just used scraps to make my flowers. So I hope you guys, before you toss your scraps, I hope you all get some use out of them and put them to use. I might go ahead and make me a mini album. Who knows? Who knows? Should I put her there or there? I think I'll go on the bottom. Yeah, I like it down there. And then I was thinking maybe I should use some greenery, some leaves. I was like, nope, red, white, and blue. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan, ma'am. There we go. I think those are adorable. They're so cute. Okay, last one. Whoops. Let's see. Did I say I wanted there? Yeah. Go ahead. And they are so tiny. I even had a smaller, even smaller flower punch. And I was like, no, let's not go crazy now. 2 sizes is enough. That's more than enough. So there. And then this guy here. You know, and the only thing I don't like are my flower punches are all from D-Stashes. And so the punch is kind of worn down. So it's not easy to punch it. If that makes any sense. I don't know. But yeah, it was hard to punch my flowers. It hurt my hand. So it looks like that. Now we got to put some of our stickles on there. I hope you guys can see. All right, let's see if we can use our, this is like my favorite stickles. This is called Stardust. And I think it'll be perfect. Let me take a seat so I can see closer. So I'm gonna make the sparkles. And then I gotta put it down for a while. You know, not touch it. So yeah. I love it. Oh, I love it already. Let me get her sparkles. Like, I might even do his stars. Just a little bit, you know? Get that sparkle. Since I didn't laminate these images, which I should have done that to protect the image. That's what I should have done. Okay, stickles, stickles, stickles. And I'm not getting everything. I'm not even being very precise with this. I just want the sparkle, you know? It's so cute. These images are adorable. Thank you, Natalie. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let me get this last one because this is just creme de la creme, I guess. Uh-oh. No. Come on, baby, come on. A little bit more. Oh no. I think that's it. I think we're done. No. I'm trying to suck up some of the, the other dots. No. No. I'm sad. Okay. One more time. One more time. Let's see. I really got to get some more stickles. Yeah, there we go. Got to get this little one sparkly because he only has one. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so I think I'll use the other one. Just keep that there for now. This might be white. Who knows? Let's see. Get on her dress. Yeah. I think it's white. All right, just dabbing it on the white spots on the stars. And that should give her her sparkle. Yep, break out the Nuvo drops. Why not? Put it to use. Yeah, there we go. I could go ahead and touch up his shirt. Go ahead, go ahead. There we go. Okay, I think I like it. Go touch her headband. Let this sit and dry for a while. And then I'll put it in place because they are so cute. All right, I'm not going to touch the rest of it. I'll just let it be. So yeah, get the Nuvos out, get your trims out, get all your recycle stuff out. It's very easy to make banners. I used these pinking shears I found on Amazon. It's a large scallop. It's a set of 3. And then it's got a small, tiny scallop. And then this is the medium. So small, medium, and large scallops. And they're heavy duty. They're really meant for like fabric. So if you wanted to trim up your fabric or felt, these are handy dandy, super sturdy. I think I would pull up Amazon picking scissors, shears, whatever. Yeah, I don't even know if I can provide the link for that because it was a while ago, so it might not even be there anymore. Everything is done. They just need to dry, and yeah. So if you're all new here, welcome. Join the crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching. Thumbs up this video, guys, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.